Madame Tubiana, your summary, your own view on this report, Global Investment Community, how do you summarize it?
I think it's a very good starting point of the discussion, because in a way I think every country is, well, most of countries are trying to sort of focus on some policies, instruments to deal with climate change. But at the same time, the context is not everywhere very positive on the willingness to go in a strong policy. So the value of this report is to say we could organize really a forum and a place where we discuss how carbon price in that sense can play a role in each economy. And the value is that it is, again, in each economy, it's up to each economy and each government to decide what is the system and the instrument. But at the same time, that beginning to introduce the idea, even if we don't have this illusion of having immediately a global carbon market, then we will create the condition in each economy to have a carbon price. And that is, I think, very interesting.
You mentioned this as a starting point. What is the next step?
Let me introduce another aspect. What is interesting is it's coming from Sweden, and Sweden has experimented this. So the lesson and experience of Sweden, I think, make a credibility of the exercise. That the next step, I think, is really to open the discussion in different countries, to see where countries are and what they would think as a incentive for them to go there. And that's, I think, the major second step we have to do.
When can this be reality?
I think this year could be next year after Cancun will be a very good year to develop these discussions, and particularly because some countries, some developing countries, are very concerned about potential trade barriers. So I think the incentive part could be to discuss that with them.